Andy Lou and welcome to Cooking for Wellness. I really love using healthy root products because I'm a certified food, lifestyle and wellness coach, and I look for brands with ingredients that are clean. This is vegan, there's no artificial sweeteners, it's gluten-free and it's plant-based, so I just love the taste of it. And it's very high in protein, which is bioavailable to our body. So I'd love to show you how to make a chocolate mocha smoothie bowl. We all know how to make smoothies out of protein powders, but let's get into a breakfast smoothie bowl that you can have for breakfast or dessert. The first thing you'll need is some frozen bananas. Now this will really thicken up our smoothie. Make sure you take the skin off and put them in the freezer for best results. Some frozen blueberries as well. Then we're going to dress it with some amazing ingredients, including passion fruit or anything that's in season, perhaps some banana, and I also love this Origin chocolate. It is amazing. It's organic and 75% cacao. Cacao is different to cocoa. It's the raw unprocessed version, so it's rich in magnesium and protein as well. So let's blend all of our ingredients with some non-dairy milk like almond or rice milk. Pop it all into a blender. Frozen ingredients first. Then your milk, 3 scoops of healthy root chocolate mocha. Let's get all of this on the blender. Pour that thick goodness into your bowl and then dress it with all of those lovely fruits. Frozen blueberries are nice as well. Passion fruit sits on top so that you can spoon into that. Dust it with some Lakanto monk fruit icing sugar and some kiwi fruit for extra vitamin C and fibre. My favourite part is adding more chocolate to our mocha smoothie bowl. Thanks to Origin, this stuff is rich in antioxidants as well. What a pretty dessert or breakfast. Thanks to Healthy Roo, check them out on healthyroo.com.au. But this is our chocolate mocha smoothie bowl, and I'm ready to hook in because it's dessert time.